Hi, this is Brian with CICS Careers. How do you keep track of your tasks? If you're still writing them down by hand, then you're missing out on the ability to search, sort, and save. You should try organizing tasks with Trello, a free app. With Trello, you can create and manage collections of digital sticky notes called cards. The board is organized into columns which are best used for tracking status. Tasks that are not started should be in the first column, then in progress tasks, then blocked, then completed ones. Simply drag the sticky note tasks left to right as you work on them. One of the biggest challenges with managing tasks is to stay prioritized. A simple process enhancement to Trello is to keep your sticky notes sorted by priority, top to bottom. Since Trello works equally well on your laptop and phone, your priorities are always just a click away. Another difficulty of managing tasks is to see a collection of related tasks. With Trello labels, you can easily filter on all your tasks that relate to a certain topic. For an internship or job, you might have categories such as HR for onboarding activities, as well as planning, coding, analysis, communications, or training. Trello really starts to get good when you use it collaboratively, either in a virtual or in-person environment. With members, you can easily filter and see what everyone on your team is working on. I found that assigning only one member for each task is usually best so you know who is responsible. Others can see the entire board, or you can use the checklist option to split out subtasks. Use the description field to detail out the requirements for the task to be considered complete. We recommend trying to make each task only 1 or 2 hours of work. Description also works well to link out to Google Docs. Comments are available on each card, which is especially useful to explain why cards are blocked. Although if you're using Slack or Microsoft Teams, it might be better to communicate about Trello cards there. Due date is also a useful button for each card, and there's a simple red, yellow, green color indicator of status, another example of the visual simplicity of Trello. I hope you'll give Trello a try for your to-dos. It lets me focus on the actual work instead of trying to remember all the things I need to do. If you commit to Trello, you can become the organized, effective employee that every team wants. If you like this video, please share it with a friend, and visit our CICS Careers website to learn more.